Hello everyone, welcome to our sample room. Yongucase company specialized in aluminum case for 70 years with professional R&D department and perfect production team. Let me introduce this product for you. This is amplified chassis. The panel's thickness is more than 6 mm, and you can see there has high light design. It is very beautiful. And this is a Rackman chassis. You can see this has handle design, and for the side panel, it has three different. It has used for industry equipment. Next one here is a 19-inch chassis. For the side panel, we have strip, flight, and heating side panel. The chassis is used for amplified equipment. Next, here is a waterproof case, M series and L series. The waterproof rate is effect IP68, a very good waterproof function. And you can see there has many different color box. This color box is a K series. It can has very good protection. It can protect your components. Then, and next one here is a H and J series. You can directly put your PCB in the box. It's used for PCB and electronic box. And this is a design department. You can see there has many professional design person, and you can just tell me your idea. We can solve your problem from design to production. Here is a video conference meeting. We can directly video with our customer. It's very convenient and professional, and I can also invite our engineer together. Very good. Next. Goodbye. If you are interested to visit our office, welcome to here.